Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be learning about another very simple and interesting topic, that is respiration and photosynthesis. Students, we all know that plants make their own food in the form of glucose. Now, during respiration, the plants utilize oxygen taken in from the atmosphere and use this oxygen to oxidize the glucose for releasing energy. Take a look at the reaction. Glucose plus oxygen in the presence of various enzymes gives us carbon dioxide plus water in the form of water vapor and energy in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. So students, this is something which goes around in plants as well as in all the animals. Now students, let us quickly see the differences between photosynthesis and respiration. Here we have a wonderful table listing out the differences. Photosynthesis is the synthesis of food, whereas respiration is the process in which food is broken down. In photosynthesis, energy is obtained from the sun, whereas in respiration, energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, is produced. Byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, whereas the byproduct of respiration is carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis occurs in plant cells which contain chlorophyll. Students, we all know that respiration occurs in both plant as well as animal cells. And finally students, photosynthesis occurs only during the day, whereas respiration can occur during the day as well as night.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.